When you search for bike racks for your Jeep Wrangler, everything looks so similar. Same claims, same images, same features. But to really find the one that fits your needs, you have to dig a little deeper.
Product number 1, Allen Sports Deluxe 4-Bike Hitch Mount Rack. Let's kick things off with the Allen Sports Deluxe 4-Bike Hitch Mount Rack. Priced at about $127.83, this one caught my eye with its sturdy build and practical design. If you want to carry multiple bikes securely, this is worth a serious look. This rack fits a 2-inch receiver hitch, making it ideal for Jeep Wranglers. The patented tie-down cradle system secures each bike individually, so you won't have to worry about them swaying during your drive. Plus, it folds up when not in use, saving you space. With over 1,000 sold just this month, it's clear that many are trusting this option. Here's why this matters for you specifically. The no-wobble bolt ensures that your bikes stay put, which is crucial when you're hitting the trails or cruising down the highway. Now, some people complained about the assembly taking a bit of effort. Here's the thing though, once it's set up, you'll love how it functions. If you're not particularly handy, it might take a little patience, but the payoff is worth it. This is perfect for you if you have a family or friends who love biking and you want to take them along for adventures. Skip this one if you're only looking to carry one bike or if you prefer a more compact option. For the price, you're getting solid value here. Now, if the assembly issue bothered you, the next product might take a completely different approach.
Product number 2, Allen Sports Deluxe 2-Bike Trunk Mount Rack, model ZN102, priced at around $63.56. I was drawn to this one because it's super affordable and offers a straightforward design. If you want something easy to install and perfect for casual outings, this is definitely worth considering. This rack fits a variety of vehicle types, including sedans, hatchbacks, and SUVs, making it versatile for many Jeep Wrangler owners. The design features side straps that provide extra stability, which is crucial for ensuring your bikes arrive safely wherever you're headed. It even comes fully assembled, ready to set up in seconds. Here's why this matters for you. If you're the type who often changes your mind about biking locations, you'll appreciate the no-fuss installation. However, a few users noted that it may not be the best for heavier bikes or those with large frames. Honestly, if you have standard mountain bikes, you should be fine, but it's something to keep in mind for those heavier models. This is perfect for you if you're looking for an economical solution for occasional biking trips. Skip this one if you have heavier bikes or want something more permanent. At this price point, it's great value for a casual cyclist. Alright, that was a solid option, but the next one on my list might actually be even better for those who want a more robust setup.
Product number 3, Young Bike Rack Hitch for car. Let's look at the Young Bike Rack Hitch, priced at $199.98. This rack really impressed me with its smart design and stability. If you need something sturdy that can handle a couple of bikes without fuss, this is worth a serious look. What stands out here is the 200-pound total capacity, allowing you to carry 2 standard bicycles, including fat tire bikes. It features soft padded hooks to prevent swaying and frame scratches, which is fantastic if you're concerned about your bike's finish. Plus, the quick release lever tilts the rack down for easy trunk access, which is a game changer when you're loaded up for a trip. Here's why this matters. It's designed to fit a 2-inch receiver hitch, which is perfect for your Jeep Wrangler, allowing you to load up your gear quickly. Now, there's a downside. It's heavier than some other options, weighing in at over 41 pounds. Some users might find that cumbersome to handle, but honestly, if you're after stability and capacity, this trade-off might be worth it for you. This is perfect for you if you frequently bike with friends or family and need something solid. Skip this if you're looking for something lightweight and easy to transport. Overall, it offers good value given its capacity and features. Now, if the weight was a concern for you, the next product on our list might suit your needs better.
Product number 4, Amazon Basics 4-Bike Hitch Rack. We have the Amazon Basics 4-Bike Hitch Rack, priced at around $80.87. I was a bit skeptical at first because it's from Amazon Basics, but it genuinely surprised me with its sturdy design. If you need a budget-friendly option that can carry multiple bikes, this one deserves your attention. This rack holds up to 4 bicycles and fits most cars and SUVs, which is great if you have a family or friends who love to bike. It features an anti-rattle design to minimize wobbling during transport, ensuring your bike stays secure. The foldable design also makes it easy to store when not in use. Here's why this matters. If you're planning group outings,
The 132-pound capacity allows you to take everyone's bikes along without hassle. However, there are some complaints about it not fitting well on vehicles with rear-mounted spare tires. This might frustrate you if that's a common setup, but if you don't have that issue, it's a great pick. This is perfect for you if you're planning group rides or camping trips. Skip this one if your Jeep has a spare tire mounted on the back, as it may not fit well. It's a solid value for the money. Now, if that spare tire compatibility is a deal breaker for you, the last product might be exactly what you need.
Product number 5. Allen Sports Deluxe 2-Bike Trunk Mount Rack, Model 102DB. We have the Allen Sports Deluxe 2-Bike Trunk Mount Rack, Model 102DB, priced at $51.99. This option really caught my interest because of its simplicity and low price point. If you want something that you can easily throw on your Jeep for a quick bike trip, this is worth checking out. This rack is designed for sedans, hatchbacks, and SUVs, making it quite versatile. It features a patented tie-down system to keep your bike secure, which is super important when you're driving around. Its lightweight design makes it easy to install and remove, which is a plus for anyone who doesn't want to fuss with heavy equipment. Here's why this matters. You can quickly get on the road without a lot of hassle. A few reviews mention the stability when driving at high speeds. I'll be real with you, if you're planning on going really fast or hitting bumpy roads, this might not be the best fit. But for casual riders, it's perfectly fine. This is perfect for you if you're a casual biker looking for a simple solution. Skip this if you need something for heavier bikes or if you plan on taking long drives. For the price, it's a fantastic deal that won't break the bank.
We've explored the Allen Sports Deluxe 4-Bike Hitch Mount Rack, the Allen Sports Deluxe 2-Bike Trunk Mount Rack, Young Bike Rack Hitch, Amazon Basics 4-Bike Hitch Rack, and the Allen Sports Deluxe 2-Bike Trunk Mount Rack Model 102DB. Each one has unique features and price points, so think about what fits your biking needs best. No matter which you choose, you'll be well equipped for your next adventure.